Hello, fellow traders. So this video will be a little bit longer than my usual, just because I have a few um, private Substack questions, and also some people asked me like what these markets will do, and if I track them, I'll tell. One of them is Bitcoin, and we're looking at 114. Today is a direction change. We'll see if we go that route. I believe we should go up until then, but we'll see. Maybe just change down and then move up. I was wrong on shorting here, move up a little bit more, but I closed my position. So now I'm tracking if it's gonna keep moving up. If we touch this reversal and don't close it, then this thing is gonna crash pretty hard. That's one thing. Then VIX. VIX elected the 17th, so the next one is going to be 1950, but not before it's going to bounce down. The reason being is uh, we had a divergence between stochastics and the price, so it was highly bought by, like, I think UVIX was like 50 million transaction. So I just noticed this pattern and VIX, and we see today's direction tomorrow after touching 15. I think it's gonna go back to 23. Don't hold me against it. VIX is very volatile, and if you don't like to gamble, don't get in it. Then gas. Gas was a surprise to me because I took a position here, closed. I didn't close it here because it's supposed to go to 15, 15, but then something happened here, bounced down. That's why this one is tricky too. And if we do not close today 15.15, I believe it's gonna go down until December, beginning of December, sometimes even by 9 December. The weekly though is 15.20, and I believe we're just touching that and then go back down. And another thing that came up in my radar yesterday, this crazy thing, and as you can see, it keeps going up, 10x since the beginning of the year, but I believe this is ready for either inversing and just gonna keep going up, or it's gonna follow Bitcoin and just crash. See, it's pre-market 525. The timing is this month, so it's a turning point this month, and I believe it's ready for a crash. But February is the next time move up, so I think it's gonna go until February now. It's still like if you made the money off it, you should have been out. Reversals are they're taken all out, so now it's just space territory. You don't know what's going on this, but hopefully this helps. All right, good luck out there.